In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advanced decline ratio, bars, indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this together step by step. So if you're brand new to TradingView or to this specific indicator, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the advanced decline ratio bars onto your chart and ready to use in your analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market or time frame you're looking at for this part. We just need any active chart on your screen. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually located above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators window, where you can search and browse all the built-in tools that TradingView provides. Inside that Indicators window, you'll see several categories. To get to the advanced decline ratio bars, you'll want to click on the technical section. This is where TradingView groups most of the standard built-in technical indicators that traders commonly use. Clicking on technical helps narrow things down so we're not scrolling through everything at once. After you've opened the technical section, look for the search bar or the list of indicators. Here, you'll want to locate the indicator itself. In the search field, start typing advanced decline ratio bars. As you type, TradingView will filter the results for you. Make sure you're selecting the built-in version that appears under the technical category, not a custom script from the community section. Once you see advanced decline ratio bars in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you do that, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart. You should see a new panel appear, usually below your price chart, displaying the bars that represent the advanced decline ratio. If you don't see it right away, double check that it's enabled in your indicator list on the chart. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart to access settings. This is where you can adjust colors, line styles, or other visual preferences so it matches your chart layout and is easy for you to read. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools and a smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with these types of tutorials and get the most out of your charts.